Hello AutoCAD Drafter, let me show you where I create your AutoCAD tutorials. Now I'll tell you why I'm showing you this. Hi, I'm Irving, and I've been creating different ways to save time in AutoCAD for over 5 years. And it is time to tell you my story. About 5 years ago, I'm working in an architecture office using AutoCAD all day long, and I realized I was doing the same thing over and over. I started researching ways to be more productive and also exploring and testing how to automate my workflow at the office. After finding many ways to save time in AutoCAD, I decided to implement them in the office. Sadly, the office had policies of keeping it simple, so no advanced techniques were allowed. I felt that these techniques I learned to save time in AutoCAD could help more people to stop wasting their time, so this is when I found YouTube and created the Lazy Arquitecto. In May 2017, to be exactly, I uploaded my first AutoCAD video. Today, 5 years, 150 videos later, even though I'm struggling with time because I'm a current architecture student, a father, and also I work as an architecture designer, your support has kept me showing each Tuesday here to share a little bit of my knowledge. Some of you ask me this: how could you share the DWG file used in this video? This dynamic block is great. Would you send it to me? ¿Un email address donde te pueda contactar? Oops, that's Spanish. Oscar was asking me an email to contact me because he has an urgent AutoCAD issue. Anyway, every day I used to read the same type of messages on YouTube, my email, or my social media platforms. And although I did send some of these dynamic blocks and files when possible, and also helped many of you fix your AutoCAD issues by message or text, I did not have the time to manually send all of these emails and satisfy all of you guys. Anyway, one day I made the effort and time to create a place where all of you requests could be handled. And because of this, I created Patreon, which is a way to support creators monthly. So I took what most of you were asking for and started creating some membership levels, or I think they also called them tiers. Ever since that day, our Patreon page has been open for your questions or ideas, allowing me to connect with you in a deeper level, like this behind the scenes I showed you earlier. Thank you very much for your support, and I'll keep working hard to save you as much time as possible. And please stop wasting time in AutoCAD.